What's up guys? Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to explain top 5 best portable air compressors. The air compressor which will inflate your tire and many other things. So number 1 from my list is DeWalt 20 volt max tire inflate. A compact and a portable also. It has too many features and functions that make it an efficient and an amazing air compressor. It has an air compressor, a tire inflator also. It also has many other features that make them amazing and different from the others. And amazing one, totally preferable. They have a high pressure inflation mode, so you can inflate your tires, pumps, valves, and too many other things very easily. The high inflation mode make it very amazing and also higher than that. It also has a LED light of provided illumination. The illumination will help you the capacity you want to use and many other features. It's an amazing and an advanced feature of these kind of portable air compressors. You will never see in other too many other air compressors this kind of feature. It's an advanced feature of this kind of air compressor which make it very effective. It has a heavy duty rubber feet also. The heavy duty rubber feet make it very amazing and a strong portable air compressor. So you can compress at a higher levels and other. It, it is present in different colors like blue, yellow, orange and too many other features. It's totally an amazing and a nice portable air compressor. So number 2 from our list in this category is a slime tire inflator, a portable car air compressor. It's also a portable air compressor. It's mostly used for cars, tires, and many others. You can even inflate the lean tire. That's why it's a lean tire inflator also. You can inflate up to different capacities and up to different levels, whatever you want to compress at a higher level. It's also a totally nice and an amazing portable air compressor with different features and characters also. It also provides LED lights for easy work. You can see in the dark also in different situations whenever you are staying in any place. That's why it's very amazing and advanced feature of this kind of portable air compressor. LED lights work very well. Wider. It has a 12-watt power accessory also present in this kind of portable aircraft. Totally a nice feature in this kind of air compressor that make it an efficient and totally preferred than the other air compressor. It's totally an awesome feature. The tire sensor is also safe, too much amazing and a safe tire sensor that make it an efficient and amazing, totally perfect for these kind of air compressors with advanced features that make them amazing. They have 8-minute inflation time, which is too much higher. You will lessly see in other air compressor this time. A high time for these kind of air compressors. So number 3 from a list in this category you want to see with high advanced features and is the Craftsman air compressor. Craftsman is a very famous brand with too many other products also. But the Craftsman portable air compressor is very high with a high performance. Totally perfect and great performance with also great features and graphics that make them very network from the other. It's an oil-free and also a durable air compressor. This is one of those portable air compressors that are oil-free, so you don't have to use oil in this kind of portable air compressor, and it will work very fine and well, and you can use up to many times with this kind of. It has a inflation copy painting also in this kind of portable air compressor also. It has stapling fastening, mostly used in stapling, fastening, and others that make them efficient and totally best one and amazing portable air compressor. These are very advanced air compressor you want to see in this kind of air compressor. They are also used in nailing, bolting, and others that make them an amazing portable air compressor. These features will make them very effective and create great air compressor. Totally preferable and amazing. So after this, number 4 from my list in this category is a DNA motoring a wireless portable air pump. It also has different features and features that make them very efficient and amazing. They have a high quality DNA tools that make them amazing and efficient than the others. Totally preferable and advanced one. They also have a cordless air pump. You will not see cordless air pump in too many others, but this is advanced and amazing that shows cordless air pump also in this category. Totally prefer. They are the space saving also. You can save your space and can work effectively and properly. These are the very amazing and advanced features of this kind of aircraft. These are mostly used for bicycle or rubber, swimming, and etc. And too many other features that make them amazing and a portable air compressor. Totally preferable this kind of air compressor. And but I suggest everyone to buy this because of their great and crackers that make them amazing and nice. They also have working light for outdoor use also. The working light makes them very effective and amazing at every place you want to work. You will feel very comfortable. Totally nice and a best one. So finally in the last but not the least, number 5 from my list is California Air Tools. A light and quiet portable air compressor. A quiet air compressor. It has also has different features and preferences that make these air compressors totally preferable and amazing. Like these are ultra quiet. This property is very common in other portable air compressors, but it's mostly found in this category. These are the ultra quiet. You will feel very comfortable after using it. They are of different colors and shapes also. These are also oil free. I already explained and other portable air compressors. These are also oil free pumps, which make them less expensive than the others and totally perfect one. These are amazing. They have a 1 gallon steel, which is too much high cost. You will see. Amazing and a nice portable air compressor with advanced features also. They are very powerful, too much powerful and strong, with great capacity. These features make them advanced and one of the best portable air compressors with us air features. Totally perfect. These are portable with a quiet property also. Amazing and totally possible. Always love with such kind of air features and practice also. You will never see these kind of properties in any I explained. So these were the top 5 best portable air compressors, each with different property and factors that make them vary. If you want to buy from Amazon, just click on the link present in the description. You can easily get this. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. So have a nice day. I hope you enjoy the video.